System analysis is a process of collecting factual data, understanding the processes involved, identifying problems with current system, and recommending feasible solutions for improving the system functioning. The analysis phase is where analyst works on the source of the problem or the need for a change. It is where the analyst considers the functional requirements of the solution, analyzing the needs of the end user to ensure the new system can meet their expectations. This involves studying the business processes, gathering operational data, understanding the information flow, and finding out bottlenecks and solutions. In this stage, the analyst uses different methods for fact-finding, such as observation, interviews, questionnaires, and examining system documents. Observation involves watching personnel using the existing system to find out exactly how it works. This method helps the analyst obtain reliable data, serves to see exactly what is being done, and is a relatively inexpensive method. On the other hand, people are generally uncomfortable being watched and may work in a different way than if workers perform tasks that violate standard procedures. They may not do this while being watched. Interviewing involves a one-to-one question and answer session between the analyst and the employee or customer. It allows the interviewee to be motivated to deliver open and honest responses to the analyst's inquiries. Then, because it is easy to expand the question, it allows the analyst to derive additional information from the interviewee. As the interview progresses, the analyst can change questions and ask questions that are specific to the interviewee. It allows the analyst to delve into a certain aspect of the existing system. On the other hand, interviewing can be rather time-consuming. It is relatively expensive due to the use of the analyst's time. More, the interviewee cannot remain anonymous. Questionnaires involves sending out questionnaires to employees and/or customers to learn about their views of the current system and how some of the key tasks are carried out. In questionnaires, questions can be answered in a short period of time. It is a rather low-cost method that enables rapid data analysis. Individuals can remain anonymous. On the other hand, the number of return questionnaires is low. The questions are rather inflexible, and there is no immediate way to clarify a vague or incomplete answer to a question. Examining documents allows the analyst to observe how the paperwork files are kept, to look through operating instructions and training manuals, and to examine the accounts. It allows the analyst to gather information that is not obtained by other methods. Analysts can observe by themselves how the paper system works. Next, an analyst can gain a sense of the problem scope and requirements. On the other hand, it can be very time-consuming, and it is a relatively expensive method. Having collected data from the current system, the analyst produces a description of the current system, identifying the inputs, outputs, and processing and problems identified with the current system. An analyst may use some tools to visualize the fact-finding process, such as data flow diagram, which helps identify inputs, outputs, and processing and data storage needed of the current system. An analyst examines the information needs of the end user and defines the requirements of new system. The analyst evaluates the alternatives and prioritizes the requirements. Next, analyst specifies the software, hardware, functional, and network requirements of the system.